Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy. Today I will show you how to make liquid organic fertilizer at home using kitchen waste. Now, this free of cost liquid organic fertilizer can be made by just about anyone. So whether you're gardening for a long time, you just started out gardening, or you're thinking about starting gardening, you can make it too. Your plants will love you for it. When you shop at the store or the market for ground provisions, fruits and vegetables, tea bags, eggs, etc., you don't have to throw out your waste. You can make your own liquid organic fertilizer for your plants. So it's a win-win situation. When I have my kitchen waste, I usually put them in a bag, store them in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use them. For the coffee grounds, I usually go to Starbucks and ask them for it. Once they have it, they'll give it to you. Now all you need to do is to get a clean bucket or something with cover. Whatever you choose, it's up to you. Put all the kitchen waste inside it and fill it with water enough to cover the waste. After a few days, you can stay with something. I usually use mine within 2 weeks. However long you want to keep it, it's completely up to you. Now it's time for me to use mine. So what I'm going to do here is strain it, and I will use this waste another time. You can use it again if you wish to, or you can just add it to your compost pile or your compost bin. I won't tell you that this has a pleasant smell. Over time, I become used to it and I learn to tolerate the smell. Now I am going to disperse it evenly among these two buckets, and then I'll fill them with water and water my plants. I do just enough for my garden, and that's what you should do also. You may be wondering why I dilute this fertilizer, seeing that it's organic. I do it because it may be a little too strong, and just to make sure I don't burn my plants, I dilute it because it is concentrated. Comment below and tell me if you have ever tried this, about to try it, or thinking about trying it. that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.